So, what is VPC Reachability Analyzer? Reachability Analyzer is a tool where we can check the network traffic is reaching to the destination or not. Simply, we can say VPC Reachability Analyzer is a configuration analysis tool that enables you to perform connectivity testing between a source resource and the destination resource in your virtual private cloud. Okay, so here I'll show this simple example where I can analyzing the connection between my EC2 instance to internet gateway. So here I'm analyzing some example analyzer tool. Just here I've selected my instance. From here to the traffic to internet gateway is reaching or not. I just want to check. So for that I'm choosing this VPC analyzer tool. So here what I did is I have selected EC2 instance and I have selected internet gateway. So in between there will be a lot of components. That is, the first source is resource from instance. From instance the packet will goes to network interface, and from there it reaches to security group whether the firewall rules is opened or not, and after that it will reaches to network access control list. After that, and it will reach to route table. If all checks passes and every stage is permission is accepted, then the traffic is going to reach to internet gateway. So this is mainly useful for whenever we create a network architecture for the first time. So at that time we can check where we did the configuration wrong. So for the troubleshooting for purpose it will be very useful. Okay, so now I'll simply create one VPC analyzer. So for that we have to open the VPC, and there will be option called reachability. In reachability there will be another option, reachability analyzer. Just you have to click reachability analyzer, and I have created one sample here. For the demo purpose I'm going to create another analyze path. Okay, so click on create and analyze path. Here you have to give the name, so my demo analyze, and here we have to select the source, so where you want to check the traffic. So from instance to internet gateway I wanted to check, so I've selected the instance. For testing purpose I've created an EC2 instance. So from that I've selected the source, and destination I selected the internet gateway for testing purpose. Okay, I've selected the internet gateway and the destination is gateway ID. So these are the IP addresses are optional, just it is not mandatory. If you don't give also it will work. And here this destination port also is optional, and this analyze is going to use the TCP protocol. This is the tag. So create and analyze path. It will take some time to come up, and reachability status is pending, last analysis status is pending. So just in the few seconds it is going to up. See, status is pending. Yes, I'll try to refresh. See here the reachability status is reachable. Okay, because why this output is came means, like from the instance to internet gateway the path is clear, configuration is did properly. So that's the reason the packet, whatever the packet is coming from the instance, that is reaching to internet gateway. Okay, so here we can see this is my instance, and there the packet comes from instance to network interface, and from there it is came to security group and network access control list. After that route table. If every check is passed, then it will reach to internet gateway. Simply just you can analyze the traffic, it is reachable or not. And if you want to test it again, just simply click on analyze path. It is going to create another request. See, it is created another request where it is trying to check whether the network is reachable from source to destination. Okay, so source is nothing but an instance and destination is nothing but a internet gateway. So hope this clear. Thank you.